Sorry about the background noise. There might be some trucks in the background that you hear. Something, hope it doesn't bother you. Okay, what is the degree of each monomial? The degree is found by looking at the exponent or the sum of the exponents if there's more than one variable. So taking a look at this first one, you can see that there is a 6 here and there is a 5 here. And that 6 and that 5 together add to 11, and that means the degree of this polynomial is 11. Okay? Now, we will continue doing this for the rest of them. Okay, number 2, there's a 6, and there's a 3, and the 6 and the 3 together make 9. So this monomial has a degree of 9. By the way, it's a monomial because it's considered a single term. There's no plus or minus separating these, so that's just a single term. For number 1, m to the 6th, n to the 5th can only be added with other terms, also m to the 6th, n to the 5th. That'll come up when we do further problems, but just know that these are monomials because there's just variables being multiplied together, and yeah, so on this next one, number 3, you can see there's only one variable, so whatever exponent is on that variable, and that exponent is a 7. Sorry, I'm trying to write an arrow and it's not working. Then the degree of this monomial is 7. And finally, if you see just a constant term, if it's not 0, can't be 0, like this number here, sorry, my voice is blown out. I'm sick in multiple ways today. But this constant right here, -9, that is a non-zero constant. And you can imagine that there could be some invisible x to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And -9 times x to the 0, or -9 times 1, -9. So it's like there's an invisible variable raised to the 0 power following any constant. Okay, essentially what does that mean? That means that we've got 0 as the degree for any non-zero constant. When I say non-zero, what I mean is that doesn't say 0 right there, that says -9. Okay, if it says 0, we would say 0 has no degree. Not even 0, it has no degree at all. Okay, that's your answers.